This is a demonstration video showing how to configure a field-scalable DOC4 using the IoT Assist app. When you open up the IoT Assist app, you will be brought to this splash screen. Hit Start to begin. This is the device list screen. Anytime a DOC4 or PumpMD has power to it, it will broadcast a unique Bluetooth signal showing up here. Select the DOC4 we want to configure. Now enter a name. Hit Next. Along with analog sensor signals, the DOC4 also utilizes digital communication sensors. These are sensors that use the RS-485 or J1939 communication protocol. We'll hit Yes. We have a drop-down of pre-configured sensors that you can select from. We also can add more sensors to this list. So we'll select the CS1000, hit Next. You will now be brought to the alarm threshold screen for the digital communication sensors. Select where you want your alarms to be. Hit Confirm. Now we're moving on to the analog inputs. The DOC4 can take up to 4 analog inputs, but for this video, we're just going to select one. Now we begin to configure the signal inputs. Enter the machine name that the sensor's on, the signal name, pressure, and the type, whether it's 4 to 20, 0 to 10, or discrete. This is where we fill out the information needed to scale the sensor signals. Enter the minimum value of the signal. So in this case, we're doing a pressure signal. 0 is the minimum value. Maximum value is, we'll say, 3,000. The units, whether we want the alarm enabled or not, and then the alarm threshold value. So when do we want an email being sent out? We'll say we want it at 2,500 PSI. Hit Next. Now we're on the last step of the process, the network configuration page. The DOC4 communicates via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If it's Wi-Fi, enter the network name you wish for it to communicate on and the password. If it's Ethernet, make sure the Ethernet cord's plugged in and then hit Next. But for Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi, enter network name and credentials. Hit Next. Now provision the device. This is where the IoT Assist is communicating with the DOC4, programming it to the sensors that we selected and scaled, getting it onto the network, and then also into your IoT data experience. And there you have it. That is how you configure a DOC4 using the IoT Assist app.